it going? Got a quick bit of a video for you guys. And again, this is another EcoFlow related product. And basically the reason I have this particular device here is that it was bundled with a power station that I recently purchased. So being that I have it now, I thought I'd go ahead and make a quick video showing you guys what this thing is all about. So essentially what this is EcoFlow's version of a portable or a small portable battery charger, or power bank rather, for your phone and or a tablet. And it's essentially an all-in-one battery device. So it's kind of a cool concept. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at it here and get it out of the box. All right, so there we go. We pull it out, and the straight thing on top here, we have the little quick start guide pamphlet, and then we have the actual battery pack itself. There are no included wires or cables that come with this because the charging cable is actually built into the unit itself, which is kind of cool. So if we take this out of the protective wrap, there we go. And that is the unit. It's pretty small. There it is in the palm of my hand. So this is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery that is within this. EcoFlow does actually have a bigger version, which is a 10,000 milliamp hour. So if you want to have a larger capacity for your phones. But basically, it's simple. So you have a power button on this side, which turns the unit on and off. And then right here, we have that built-in cable like I was mentioning a minute ago. And this is a USB-C. So it has USB-C built in for the charging wire. And it also has a dedicated USB-C port itself. So if you want to charge via your own cable that you may already have, you can do that through there. And then you can also actually charge your phone through this port and then charge the actual battery using this built-in plug as well, which is pretty neat. And then the major feature of this particular battery is the fact that it is supporting the MagSafe feature. So if we flip it around, on the back we have the Qi 2 wireless charging pad. So you can use this with other devices that are not specifically an iPhone that has MagSafe. So you can put AirPods on here, or you can put an Android phone that has wireless charging capabilities, and anything like that will work actually through this little pad, which is incredibly cool. So you can basically sit it down on the table, set something on it, and you can charge it immediately straight away. Pretty neat. Again, there we go. We're already getting fingerprints on that thing. And it also has another built-in feature, and that is a kickstand right here. So you can see you have a kickstand which can be used to prop the device up if it is connected to your iPhone with the MagSafe function. So it basically can give your phone a kickstand while this is attached to it. Pretty cool. It can happen in both portrait and landscape orientations. And then that's that. It is also metal, so this whole bottom piece here is actually made out of metal and not plastic, so that's pretty neat as well. And if we turn it on, you get these little LED indicator lights right there. There are 4 of them to let you know the capacity or the charge level. So obviously 4 bars indicate a full charge. And then connecting it to a phone is actually rather simple. So you can just line it up, make sure the logos and everything are facing upward, and you just snap it to the back of your iPhone like so. And it is a really strong magnet. Right there, you can see the iPhone actually recognizes it as a MagSafe device. So you can connect it on, and it charges, and it makes an interesting little sound. So pretty cool. And again, like I said, that magnet is super strong. I mean, it is not gonna go anywhere if you shake it around. I mean, it is really, really on there. So that's quite nice. Now, again, like I said, this will work with devices that are not MagSafe, but still support wireless charging. So bringing in a different iPhone here, this is an iPhone 10 that was released back in 2017. So this has wireless charging, but it does not have MagSafe. But it still works just the same. So if I set it right on the pad, and there you go, and it immediately starts to charge. Now, obviously, you want to make sure the little circle here is lined up into the correct portion of the phone, because obviously, like you can see, if I put it in the wrong spot, it's not going to charge. So you want to make sure you kind of line it up the best as you can. And there you go, kind of line it up a little bit better. There we go. And then it starts to charge. So that's kind of the caveat for using this with devices that don't have MagSafe. It's not able to automatically align it to your phone. So you kind of have to do that manually. But just to note, it does, again, work with phones and or devices that don't have MagSafe built in. But yeah, super cool thing. So this particular device retails for about $50 on EcoFlow's website. But you can obviously find it for a sale every so often, because EcoFlow really tends to have a lot of sales going on. So you might find it cheaper than that $50 price. But anyway, I'll provide a link in the description for anyone that might be interested in this particular battery charger. And yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you guys have any questions, drop those in the section below. And I'll see you all next time.